How to transfer money from Paysafe to bank account. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply order the new MasterCard Paysafe card, and then what you can do, you can simply withdraw the money from your Paysafe card and then simply add it to your bank account. Now keep in mind that this card here, it's available only in these countries here. So as you can see, you have Austria, Belgium, you have France, Greece, Italy. And if you're in any of these countries, you can simply go to paysafecard.com, and then you can simply look here at the top to basically order the MasterCard, and basically you can withdraw your money from your Paysafe card account, and then you can simply add them to your new bank account. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.